All right, it is almost time for the Uke Like the Pros. I'm going to take that back. The first Uke Like the Pros Festival, Ukulele Festival, right here in our Uke Like the Pros headquarters in San Diego, California, and I want you to be here, although we're getting late, so you gotta make sure you come. ukelikethepros.com/concert. If you cannot make it in person, come on down for the virtual experience, or jump online, I guess, for the virtual experience. So I just want to go over some of the things that we got going on here for the festival. So first and foremost, Cornerstone Ukes, Peter built us this tenor. See. Anyway, this is not for the giveaway, but this is now available, and he got it ready especially for the festival. So this amazing tenor ukulele for a coal wood, cool two-tone neck here, absolutely gorgeous stone in here, abalone, sound port, everything. So Peter at Cornerstone, thanks for that. Now we have some giveaways and some raffles that's available to anybody that's here or anybody that's a VIP. All right, VIP on the virtual experience. Again, ukelikethepros.com/concert. I just got this in today. KoAloha has donated this really cool picate soprano. Really nice one. really nice one. Yeah, it's like, I like to keep this one for myself, but I'm not. This is for the giveaway, this exact one. What you see behind me, by the way, is the banner that's going to go at the bottom of the stage, ukelikethepros.com. This is actually two pieces. There's a part of it right there. That's available. KoAloha has also thrown in some of their new shirts for some giveaways as well. Look at these things. I think actually, and I have some of them for Uke Like the Pros, or stored at ukelikethepros.com as well. Look how cool that is. So anyway, got some KoAloha shirts for the giveaway as well. We got all our things for our staff and also the attendees here. All the things. We're gonna have a VIP lunch right upstairs with Kimo Hussey, Bernadette, myself, Timmy, Christopher David Shannon, Chris Fujigami, Anthony Stanley, everyone here for that. Another ukulele we have for a giveaway is this KoAloha has donated some merchandise, and also this ukulele, which is one of my favorite ukuleles they make. Absolutely stunning. This one right here, I forget the model number, the ASCT-T tenor, solid cedar, solid Pal-Ferro sides and back. This is also for the raffle, so anyone that's here in San Diego at the event, or anyone that's a VIP on the virtual has a chance to win these. That's, again, ukelikethepros.com/concert. Thanks, KoAloha, for that. KoAloha has also thrown in some t-shirts as well. Matter of fact, where's the one? Fernando just got this one out. How cool is this one right here? The Waterman as well. So Ohana's going to be here. I don't have the uke that they're donating, but they also have one as well. We got posters. I wonder where I put those posters. We got posters of the artist as well. We're all going to sign those for the VIPs as well. We're going to have a photo area. We're going to have a 2-camera live stream. It's going to be absolutely fantastic day of performances, workshops, play-alongs. We got a food truck coming. We might have a little drone flying around as well. So ukelikethepros.com/concert. Come be a part of it, either in person or virtual. Here are the posters right here. We got 100 of them. That's it, 100 only. We're going to get the artist to sign all these posters and give these away. So anyway, can't wait to see you again in person or virtual. ukelikethepros.com/concert. ukelikethepros.com/concert. First ever Uke Like the Pros Festival. Cannot wait to see you there.